I'm currently turning a piece of cypress pine on a Stutey 3040 lathe. Give me a minute to clean up the lathe and I'll show you another feature that makes this machine so versatile. We've taken inspiration from existing models, then worked extensively to innovate and improve. The result is a lathe packed with features designed for superior performance, safety and ease of use. In its standard position, the Stutey 3040 has a 16-inch swing and 15 inches between centres. By unlocking the adjustable lever at the back, the bed extends, giving you up to 30 inches in swing and 40 inches between centres. That's where the 3040 name comes from. By releasing the same lever and removing the steel rod, the bed can rotate from 0 to 360 degrees. It's great for turning large bowls or platters. It acts like a heavy-duty Lazy Susan. There are 2 holes in the bed which allow you to store your turning tools while you work.